Guys, for this video guys, inayos pala yung namin yung unit ko guys. So today guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano natin i-drain tong water sa third tank natin guys. So ito yung third tank natin guys, pressure tank guys. So i-drain natin tong tubig nito kasi para hindi tayo mawala ng preno guys. Ito lang guys, ang daming tubig lumabas guys. Kita mo din, kita niyo din. Kailangan nyo nandun guys. Lalabas yung tubig yan guys. So ganyan ang pag-drain ng tubig sa pressure tank natin guys. Kailangan natin i-drain araw-araw yan para iwas tayo mawalan ng hangin, iwas tayo ma-loose brake, iwas tayo ma-failure ang clutch. So yan naman ang video natin today guys. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page Benjor Salera Vlogs, and don't forget to follow my Facebook profile Salera Benjor and Benjor Salera Tam Bandam. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel guys, Bandam ng Cebu. So love you, Mama Chop Chop.